Do you want to make $20,000 per month through dropshipping? Imagine the freedom and lifestyle that kind of income could bring you. These products can help you achieve that goal. We're talking about high-ticket items that people are eager to buy. Today, we're diving into a topic that's definitely going to get your entrepreneurial gears turning: high-ticket dropshipping. This is where the big money is made. I have also placed a link below this video to my #1 recommendation for making money online right now. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified on future videos. Now, if you're not already familiar, high-ticket dropshipping is all about selling premium products. Think higher price points, bigger profit margins, and ultimately, the potential for some serious income. It's a game changer in the e-commerce world. We're talking about finding those in-demand products that people are willing to pay a little extra for because of their quality, features, or even just the brand name. These are items that practically sell themselves. And the best part? You don't need to handle any inventory yourself. No storage, no shipping hassles. It's all taken care of for you. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through 10 high-ticket product categories that are absolutely crushing it right now. These categories are where the money is flowing. We'll talk about why they're in such high demand, what kind of profit margins you can expect, and most importantly, how you can tap into these markets and start building a seriously profitable dropshipping business. This is your chance to get ahead of the competition. Let's get right into it. Get ready to take notes and start your journey to financial freedom. Let's start with a market that has seen tremendous growth in recent years: home gym equipment. Do you remember when everyone was rushing to buy dumbbells and treadmills? That demand is still strong. People are finding that having a home gym is not only convenient, but also a smart, long-term investment in their health. And they are willing to pay a premium for high-quality equipment that is built to last. Consider high-end treadmills, ellipticals, and weight benches, squat racks. These items can easily cost thousands of dollars. With dropshipping, you can offer a curated selection of these premium products without the hassle of storing or shipping bulky inventory. Additionally, with the right marketing strategy, you can tap into the passionate fitness community and start generating significant sales. So if you are passionate about fitness and want to help others achieve their fitness goals, this could be the ideal high-ticket dropshipping niche for you. Next, we have a market focused on sustainability, convenience, and let's be honest, looking pretty cool: electric bikes. With gas prices soaring and increasing awareness of our environmental impact, e-bikes have quickly become a hot commodity. Consider this: they offer a fun, efficient, and eco-friendly way to commute, run errands, or simply enjoy a leisurely ride on a sunny day. And they come with a price tag that matches their appeal. We're talking hundreds, even thousands of dollars for high-end models with powerful motors, long-lasting batteries, and sleek designs. This is where the dropshipping opportunity comes in. By partnering with reputable e-bike suppliers, you can offer a range of models to cater to different needs and budgets without handling the logistics of shipping these bulky items yourself. Plus, you'll be tapping into a market that's only going to continue growing in the coming years. Now, let's discuss a niche that never goes out of style: luxury watches. These are not just timepieces. They are statements. They are investments, and they represent a market that's perfect for dropshipping. Consider this: people are willing to spend thousands, even tens of thousands of dollars on a Rolex, a Patek Philippe, or an Audemars Piguet. These watches retain their value incredibly well, and for many, they symbolize success and achievement. Now, I'm not suggesting you start dropshipping Rolexes tomorrow, but there is a huge market for high-quality, stylish watches at various price points. You can find amazing timepieces from lesser-known brands that still offer incredible craftsmanship and design. And with dropshipping, you can curate a collection of these watches and connect with passionate watch enthusiasts all over the world. Just make sure you do your research, find reputable suppliers, and showcase those watches with high-quality images and descriptions. Chapter 4: High-end kitchen appliances, serving up profits in the kitchen. Let's move on to a niche that's close to my heart and probably yours too: food. The kitchen is the heart of the home, and for many, it's a place of creativity and joy. More specifically, the appliances that help us create culinary masterpieces in our own kitchens. These tools are not just functional, they are a source of inspiration. High-end kitchen appliances have become a must-have for aspiring home chefs and foodies alike. They transform ordinary cooking into an extraordinary experience. We're talking about top-of-the-line blenders, stand mixers, espresso machines, and sous vide cookers that can elevate any home kitchen to gourmet status. These appliances are game changers. And guess what? People are willing to pay a premium for these kitchen workhorses. The demand is high and the market is thriving. Think about it. A Vitamix blender can easily cost over $500, but its performance and durability make it worth every penny. And a high-end espresso machine can set you back thousands. Yet, for coffee aficionados, it's an investment in quality and daily enjoyment. That's where dropshipping comes in. This business model allows you to offer these premium products without holding inventory. You can partner with suppliers of these premium kitchen appliances and offer a curated selection to your target audience. This way, you can focus on marketing and customer service. The key is to highlight the features, the benefits, and the value that these appliances bring to the table. Pun intended. Make sure your customers understand why these products are worth the investment. Chapter 6. Designer furniture, furnishing homes, and fattening wallets. Let's be honest, nobody wants their home to look like it came straight out of a catalog. People desire unique, stylish pieces that reflect their personality and elevate their living spaces. And that's where designer furniture comes in. We're talking about those statement pieces, the sofas, armchairs, dining tables, and lighting fixtures that can transform a house into a home. People are willing to invest in quality pieces that will last a lifetime. Now, you don't need to start dropshipping entire living room sets, although you could. You can focus on specific niches within the designer furniture market, like mid-century modern pieces, or industrial-style furniture, or even sustainable and eco-friendly options. The key is to find your niche, partner with reliable suppliers, and showcase those pieces with stunning visuals and compelling product descriptions. Remember, you're not just selling furniture, you're selling a lifestyle. Chapter 7. Smart Home Devices, the future of home automation and your dropshipping business. Let's discuss the future, or rather, the present of home living. Smart home devices. From voice-activated assistants to smart thermostats, security cameras to automated lighting systems, these devices are transforming the way we live, and their popularity is only increasing. Consider this. Who wouldn't want to control their lights with their voice, adjust the thermostat from their phone, or receive instant notifications if there's suspicious activity at their front door? The advantage of dropshipping smart home devices is that you can offer a wide range of products to meet different needs and budgets. You can sell individual devices like smart speakers or security cameras, or you can create bundles and packages for a complete smart home experience. The key is to stay updated on the latest trends in the smart home industry and partner with reputable suppliers who offer high-quality, reliable devices. Chapter 8. High-performance laptops, powering up profits, one laptop at a time. In today's digital age, a laptop isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. From professionals to students, everyone needs a reliable laptop to get through their day. Whether it's for work, school, gaming, or just browsing the internet, we rely on these portable powerhouses to stay connected and productive. They are our lifelines in a world that never stops moving. When it comes to performance, people are willing to pay a premium for laptops that can keep up with their demanding needs. High-performance laptops are not just tools, they are investments in efficiency and capability. We're talking about high-end laptops with powerful processors, dedicated graphics cards, lightning-fast storage, and stunning displays. These features make a significant difference in user experience. Dropshipping high-performance laptops can be a lucrative niche, but it's important to do your research and partner with reputable suppliers. Ensuring quality and reliability is key to maintaining customer satisfaction. Offer laptops from well-known brands like Apple, Dell, HP, and Asus, as these brands are trusted and have a strong reputation for quality. Be knowledgeable about the specs and features that matter most to your target audience. Understanding what your customers value will help you make better recommendations. Remember, these laptops come with a higher price tag, but they also offer superior performance and longevity. Build trust with your customers by providing excellent customer service and support. A satisfied customer is more likely to return and recommend your business to others. All right, let's step outside for a moment and discuss a niche that's all about adventure, exploration, and connecting with nature: premium outdoor gear. From high-performance camping equipment to durable hiking boots, waterproof jackets to top-of-the-line backpacks, people are willing to invest in gear that can withstand the elements and enhance their outdoor experiences. Dropshipping in this niche allows you to tap into the growing trend of outdoor recreation. You can curate a collection of gear from well-respected brands like Patagonia, The North Face, Arc'teryx, and Osprey, catering to specific activities like camping, hiking, backpacking, or climbing. The key is to showcase the quality and durability of these products through high-quality images and videos, highlighting their features and benefits for outdoor enthusiasts. Remember, you're not just selling gear, you're selling the promise of adventure. For some, music is more than just background noise, it's an immersive experience. And for audiophiles, only the best audio equipment will suffice. We're referring to those high-fidelity speakers, turntables, headphones, and amplifiers that can reproduce music with incredible clarity, depth, and detail. Dropshipping high-end audio equipment can be a niche market, but it's one with a passionate customer base willing to invest in top-of-the-line sound. You can partner with renowned audio brands like Sennheiser, Bose, Bowers & Wilkins, and Macintosh, offering a curated selection of headphones, speakers, turntables, and other audio components. The key is to understand the technical aspects of these products and be able to communicate their value to audio enthusiasts. High-quality images, detailed product descriptions, and even audio samples can help you connect with this discerning audience. Let's face it, pets are more than just animals. They are members of the family. Just like we want the best for our human loved ones, we want the best for our furry companions. This is where luxury pet products come in. We're talking about everything from designer dog beds and cat trees to gourmet, pet food, and high-tech pet gadgets. People are willing to spend top dollar to pamper their pets, and that's where the dropshipping opportunity lies. You can find unique and stylish pet products from around the world, offering a curated selection of beds, toys, and accessories, and even clothing for discerning pet owners. The key is to tap into the emotional connection people have with their pets, highlighting the quality, comfort, and style of your products. Remember, pet owners are always on the lookout for products that will make their furry friends happy, and they are often willing to pay a premium for them. So there you have it, 10 high-ticket product categories that are absolutely primed for dropshipping success. From home gym equipment to luxury pet products, these niches offer incredible potential for entrepreneurs looking to build profitable online businesses. Remember, the key is to do your research, find reliable suppliers, and focus on creating a brand that resonates with your target audience. Highlight the value, the quality, and the unique selling points of your products, and don't be afraid to niche down and cater to a specific audience. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more dropshipping tips and strategies, and let me know in the comments which of these high-ticket products you're most excited to start selling. Until next time, happy dropshipping.
Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.